Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change language in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and go to General Management and go to Language and click on Add Language. Here select language of your choice. Here I select Tamil, and if you select keep current, it will be set, it will be listed under English, and then again you can later set it as a language. If you select set as default, it will be directly applied. See here, language has been changed to what I have selected. Okay, go to the home page and see the changes. Oh no, it's still not changed. Yes, changed. It takes some time. See here, language has been changed to what I have selected. Again I go to the same settings, General Management, Language, and if you want to add another language, click here and select any other language of our choice, and I click on keep current. So it is listed under Tamil and English. If you want to apply it, just click it and click on apply, and it will be activated now. Yes, it is activated. If you want to set back to English, select English and activate, and yes, it is activated. If you want to remove the languages that you have added in the list, that is already English was available, and if you want to remove other language, Tamil and this language, and just click on edit here and select those two and click on remove, and click on remove, and they will be removed. Now only English language is available. So in this way you can add any desired language of a choice for your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. Later if you decide to remove, yes, you can do it. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.